Hello, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to Coin's Life, the go-to place for all things numismatic. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic that has been buzzing in the coin collecting community: the 1982 penny that might be worth $1 million. Stick around as we delve into the fascinating world of rare coins and uncover the secrets behind this seemingly ordinary penny. Before we jump into the potential value of the 1982 penny, let's take a quick trip down memory lane to understand the historical context of this coin. In 1982, the U.S. Mint made a significant change in the composition of pennies. They transitioned from the traditional bronze alloy to a zinc-coated copper alloy due to rising production costs. Little did they know, this change would spark interest among collectors decades later. Now, let's talk about what makes certain 1982 pennies potentially valuable. The key factor here is the transitional year when both bronze and zinc-coated copper pennies were minted. It's believed that some bronze planchets found their way into the production process, creating a rarity that could be hiding in your pocket change. So, how can you identify if your 1982 penny is the rare one worth $1 million? Look for small and subtle differences, such as the weight, color, and mint mark. Certain minting errors and variations are highly sought after by collectors, and will guide you through the process of identifying these features. Believe it or not, there have been real-life stories of individuals stumbling upon these valuable 1982 pennies in their spare change or coin collections. We'll share some jaw-dropping discoveries that turned ordinary folks into unexpected millionaires. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's talk numbers. We'll explore recent sales and auction results of the 1982 penny to give you an idea of its current market value. Spoiler alert, you might be surprised. Finally, this coin is $12 million, and there you have it, folks, the intriguing story of the 1982 penny that could be hiding $1 million secret. Remember, the world of coin collecting is full of surprises, so keep your eyes peeled for hidden treasures in your pocket change. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting! This script is a general guide, and you may want to customize it based on your personal style, audience, and any additional information you want to include.